I'm in a 2020 Dodge Durango Police Interceptor. We're going to program in 2 of these VVDI Proxes. I have 4 existing ones. So let's get started here. We're going to pull the pin. We got the special cable attached through there. Same as the 19. Yes, hazards are on. Or repin. Okay, it's 25.75. Back out. Key coding. Okay, should have 4 in there. Yep, here we go. I'm gonna hold it right next to the start button. Press the button twice. Okay, there's 1. This will be the next one. Program key. Right, here we go. Okay. Program. Alright. Now, we'll go ahead and unhook from the power. Right there. Okay. We'll see if this thing turns on. There's our flashers on. We'll turn the flashers off. Press the button. There we go. There's 1. Okay, we're going to take this fob out of here. Grab the other fob because this won't start with the keys on the door. Here we go. All right, we're all done.